In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up risk-reward in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to visualize your entry, stop loss, and take profit on the chart, and how to read the risk-to-reward ratio the platform calculates for you. Start by opening TradingView and loading the chart you want to work with. Make sure you're on the correct symbol and time frame for your trade idea so the levels you choose make sense for your strategy. A quick zoom in around your intended entry area will help with precision. Next, look to the left toolbar and select the Short Position Drawing tool. It's grouped with the Long Short Position tools. This tool doesn't place a trade, it's a visual measuring tool, perfect for planning and assessing your setup before you commit. Click once on the chart at the price level where you plan to enter the short trade. That click drops your entry marker and brings up two colored zones connected to it. For a short setup, the area below your entry represents your potential profit if price moves down, and the area above shows your potential loss if price moves up against you. Think of it as a quick snapshot of your plan, where you get in, where you're wrong, and where you aim to get out. Now, drag the red zone downward to align with your take profit level at a lower price. Choose a level that matches your idea, perhaps near a previous support zone or a logical target from your analysis. Keep an eye on the price scale as you drag so you land precisely where you intend. Then, drag the green zone upward to set your stop loss above the entry. This should be the price where your trade thesis is invalidated, often beyond a recent swing high or a clear resistance area. Place it thoughtfully to balance protection with room for normal market noise. As you position these levels, the tool automatically displays the risk-reward ratio. This number tells you how much you stand to gain relative to what you're risking. For example, a ratio above 1.0 means your potential reward is greater than your risk. Use this as a quick filter. Many traders prefer setups where the potential reward meaningfully outweighs the risk. Take a moment to review your entry, stop, and target. Small adjustments can make a big difference to the ratio and to the realism of the plan. And that's it. You've set up risk-reward in TradingView, giving yourself a clear, visual framework for smarter decision-making before you place any orders.